What's good, y'all niggas? We back with another video for the day. I just got me the last one for the laws of policies, last official video. Law 25, part 2. Uh, how to create yourself. We want to talk about how creating yourself. So with this one, I'm gonna be talking about the practical steps of creating yourself. You need to understand that people can give you roles, but you don't have to necessarily sign a contract on them. All right, so let's get straight into it. The first step is to be self aware. You need to know that everyone is an actor, no matter what. People, the only difference is that now you have the choice to now choose which contract you get. You can get the contract to be the class clown, excuse me, the class clown, the prick, the dickhead, right? The intellectual, the smartass, the charming, the romantic, the playboy, the fuckboy, you know what I'm saying? Pick. Sign one. And let's get straight into it, right? Now, when you pick, you need to have a goal in mind. You don't just pick, you know what I'm saying? Pick, knowing that, hey, this is the goal I want. Alright, so I need this reputation to create myself in this certain way, and then we can do. So, how do you recreate yourself? First things first, your appearance. If you want some, it's in the art of seduction too. To get attention, you have your appearance has to be on point. It has to be something new, refreshing. Like for example, me, I'm always having this type of hair, right? If I was to, for example, cut bald, I have attention for the first hour I get there. You know what I'm saying? Where let's say I'm in school, right? And let's say I get there when the school is busy, right? And my cut my hair bald. I'll get the attention for the first hour. Within that first hour, have all the attention to me, right? You'll feel it, right? Appearance. You change your appearance so drastically, right? And now, right after that, your appearance. That means your clothes, your dress, the way you walk, the way you talk, right? All those things, right? And now next is now how to get people on edge, keep them on the edge of their seats. Simple stuff. Simple stuff. Being unpredictable. Unpredictability. Do one thing, boom, hot cold. Out of sedation also comes in here. You can like for example reputation. That's why I'm saying like you can be known as a prick, dickhead, right? But then you get someone knows someone better. You can do some you can be actually be nice, you know what I'm saying? Be nice. And then that you show signs of being nice. Do like once in a while type good deeds and all that. People will now not only pity you, they'll be like, I can change them. That's why with us, there's a saying, wife a house, never wife, never housewife a hoe. You can't make a housewife out of a hoe. You know, uh, that's the negative effect of it. Me, man, will try to change a hoe into a housewife because she has a quite a housewife. Well, likely that was just planned. She planned the shit. She planned that shit. You know what I'm saying? And when she wants to, she'll divorce your ass. You see? So you gotta be on or off. Find a way to do that. Just find a way to be unpredictable as shit and control the tempo. Don't let the world control the tempo. Control the tempo. If you want someone to take his time, make it take his time, bro. Sure, have fun with it. But now if you want someone to move quick to the point where people are like, wait, where did this happen? When they're still recovering from one event, yeah, you bamboozle them with another event. Do that. You can do that. It's okay. Elections are all about that. Roosevelt did that research about like there's something about the 100 days. That's what he's famous for, the 100 days after his election and all that. His board appointments and speeches and all that. Yeah. See, have fun with it. This is your life. Recreate it the way you want. Alright? Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe. Holler back at you boy, and this will be the last video for the day. Shit.